Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only avocado egg sandwich. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, 1 perfectly ripe avocado, and 2 large eggs. Toast your bread to a lovely golden brown and prepare your eggs just how you like them, perhaps a creamy soft-boiled or a perfectly fried egg. Now, let's create that delicious avocado spread. Carefully have your ripe avocado, remove the large pit, and scoop all the vibrant green flesh into a small bowl. Using a fork, mash it thoroughly until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. Don't forget to season it with a small pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper for extra flavor. Next, we'll prepare our eggs. If you chose soft-boiled, carefully peel them and slice each egg in half lengthwise, revealing that beautiful, slightly runny yolk. If you opted for fried eggs, ensure they are cooked to your liking, perhaps with a warm, gooey center. This adds a fantastic richness to every bite of our sandwich. Finally, it's time to assemble our masterpiece. Take your 2 perfectly toasted bread slices and generously spread the creamy mashed avocado on both. Then, carefully arrange your prepared egg halves over one of the avocado-covered slices. Gently place the other slice on top, and there you have it, a truly delicious and satisfying avocado egg sandwich, ready to enjoy in just a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.